Hello, thanks for coming to my channel, and welcome to Art is So Fun, the ugly episode. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed colleagues, and fellow seekers of wellness, this discussion focuses on the positive impact of drawing on overall health. Drawing, a seemingly simple act, can significantly enhance well-being. In today's fast-paced world, stress, anxiety, and daily demands can negatively affect mental and physical health. Drawing provides a means to unwind, recharge, and find peace. With the power of drawing, you can have stress reduction. Artistic activities like drawing can lower cortisol levels, the hormone associated with stress. The creative process serves as a form of meditation, focusing attention on the present and providing a distraction from daily worries. The power of drawing can also enhance your mood. The brain releases dopamine and endorphins during creation, elevating mood and fostering joy and satisfaction. The power of drawing has emotional expression and self-awareness. Drawing offers a nonverbal outlet for expressing difficult emotions. It aids in exploring the inner world, understanding feelings, and building emotional resilience. The power of drawing also has enhanced cognitive function. Drawing engages both brain hemispheres, improving memory, focus, and problem-solving skills. It encourages flexible thinking and may promote new neural pathways, according to the Southwest General Health Center. The power of drawing can also manage your pain. Drawing and art therapy can manage chronic pain by shifting focus away from discomfort. This can lead to relaxation, mood improvement, and reduced pain perception. No artistic skills are needed. The health benefits of drawing do not require artistic skill. The process, not the outcome, provides therapeutic benefits. Experiment with techniques like free drawing, doodling, and coloring. The key is to engage in the creative process and enjoy self-expression and exploration. Integrate drawing into wellness by incorporating drawing into daily life through art therapy sessions or sketching in a journal during breaks. It can complement traditional mental health care or foster greater emotional well-being. Encouragement is extended to rediscover the joy of drawing, allowing imagination to flourish and emotions to flow, thereby experiencing the transformative power of art in promoting a healthier, more balanced self. Got a blank canvas, a brand new start. Ideas are flowing right from the heart. Brush strokes dancing, colors ignite, making something beautiful, feeling so right. Oh, art is so fun. It's a vibrant spree. Let your imagination run wild and free. Drawing, painting, singing, dancing all day. Express yourself with the joy light the way. Sculpting with clay, molding and shaping, a world of wonder, softly escaping. Notes on the page, a melody bright, harmony lifting, soaring with light. Oh, art is so fun, it's vibrant, it's free. Let your imagination run wild and free. Drawing, painting, singing, dancing all day. Express yourself with the joy light the way. Sometimes it's messy, sometimes it's flawed, but every creation is a treasure adored. No rules to follow, just your own design, a masterpiece waiting forever to shine. Art is so fun, so come and play. Create something wonderful like every day. Well, if you've made it this far, congratulations. Thank you very much. Um, you might want to subscribe. Hit the like button, pretty please. Hit that bell. What else? Comment. Please leave your bad art or what you think is bad art in the comments section. That would be wonderful. Thank you, thank you.